What up, YouTube? Welcome one and all to Travel Adventures with Eric B. My name is Eric Brown. I welcome each and every one of you. I made this channel about travel and exploration, and I want you to feel alive through travel and to grow the same way that travel is done for me. Growing up, traveling was never an option for me. Now, traveling is the only option. Traveling could be going to Asia, Europe, Africa, or it could be just driving 5 miles to your local park. Could be driving 10 miles to a mountain or driving to the beach and hanging out. Travel is an opportunity to get outside of yourself and to grow as a person, as an individual, and to see how things are outside of your own personal bubble. Self-discovery and getting out of your daily routine, whether you're going 5 miles or 5,000 miles, it's just an opportunity to get into the large world that we have around us and discover there's more to life than just us. On this channel, we will have vlogs, we will have live chats, we will have affordable ways to travel, we will have top 10 lists, we will talk about ways to pack, we will talk about different things to help you as a traveler, how to travel efficient and travel affordable. We will talk about everything that is travel, and we want this to be an interactive page. My ultimate goal on this channel is to build a community of travelers who wants to talk about travel and who wants to find affordable ways to travel, the best means to get there, and want to help others to travel. Because at the end of the day, we all want to get out and we all want to feel alive, whether it's traveling 5 miles or 5,000 miles away. We all want to discover ourselves through travel. There's no better way to feel alive than to see things in person that you've seen in textbooks, things that you've seen on screensavers all your life. To be there in person to see it, there's no better feeling. Ask that you hit the like button and the subscribe button. We're in the early stages of this page, so we're only going up from here as each video comes along, but we want to build this community up. We want to have a fantastic community full of travelers. And remember this, live today, grow today, because tomorrow's never promised.